In which layer of the earth is radio communication possible? The correct answer is C, that is ionosphere. So the lower part of the thermosphere from 80 to 550 km above Earth's surface contain the ionosphere. So it is like 80 to 550 km above Earth's surface. And the ionosphere is used for radio communication. The International Space Station orbits in the layer between 350 and 420 km. The outermost layer of atmosphere is, the correct answer is D, that is exosphere. So exosphere, this is the outermost layer of the atmosphere. It extends from the top of the thermosphere to 6,200 miles, or we can say 10,000 km above the earth. Mauna Loa volcano, which is the largest active volcano in the world, is an example of which of the volcano? The correct answer is A, that is shield volcano. Mauna Loa is the largest active volcano on the planet, and it is the quintessential shield volcano in its shape, signified by broad rounded slopes. Highest rainfall occurs in which state of India? The correct answer is C, that is Meghalaya. So the East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya state in northeastern India, that is 60.9 kilometers from Shillong, the state capital. A gravity dam named Lakhwar Dam is built on which river? The correct answer is B, that is Yamuna. So Lakhwar multipurpose project is located on Yamuna river in the Dehradun and Tehri district of Uttarakhand state, and to be developed by UJVN Limited. The construction of dam and underground powerhouse for Lakhwar multipurpose project is proposed near Lohri village in Dehradun district of Uttarakhand. Earthquakes that result from tectonic forces which occur in conjunction with volcanic activity are called, the correct answer is B, that is volcanic earthquake. So a volcanic earthquake is an earthquake that results from tectonic forces which occur in conjunction volcanic activity, and a collapse earthquake are small earthquakes in underground and mines that are caused by seismic waves produced from the explosion of rock on the surface. Which of the following countries does not share its boundary with Black Sea? The correct answer is D, that is Algeria. So Algeria is the country which do not share its boundary with Black Sea. Ravi is the tributary of which river? The correct answer is C, that is Indus. So the Ravi river, a transboundary river of India and Pakistan, is an integral part of the Indus river and form the headwater of the Indus basin. The waters of the Ravi river drain into the Arabian Sea through the Indus river in Pakistan. Nokrik National Park is in which state of India? The correct answer is C, that is Meghalaya. So the Nokrik Biosphere Reserve is located in the northeast of India on the Tura range, which form part of the Meghalaya plateau. So the entire area is mountainous, and Nokrik is the highest peak of the Garo Hills, rising up 1412 meters. The position of Earth or any other planet in its orbit when it is at its distant point from the Sun is called, the correct answer is B, that is aphelion. A deposition of sand which results in a long narrow embankment in the sea near the coast is called as, the correct answer is D, that is sandbar. Sometimes the deposit of sand and gravel laid down by waves and currents form embankment separating the shoreline from the sea. So they form barriers between the sea and the mainland, and such deposit is called as sandbar. Which state of India is called the land of downlit mountains? The correct answer is C, that is Arunachal Pradesh. So a mountainous state clinging to the far northeastern corner of India, Arunachal Pradesh. Penganga is the tributary of which river? So Penganga is the tributary of which river? The correct answer is A, that is Godavari. So the Vainganga and the Penganga river are the tributaries of Godavari river. So Vainganga and Penganga both are the tributaries of Godavari river. So Godavari river is the largest river in peninsular India and it is known as Dakshin Ganga. Study of the universe is called as, the correct answer is A, that is cosmology. So cosmology is a branch of astronomy that involves the origin and evaluation of the universe from the Big Bang to today. So cosmology is a branch of astronomy that involves the origin and evaluation of the universe. And according to NASA, the definition of cosmology is the scientific study of the large scale properties of the universe as a whole. So the scientific study of the large scale properties of the universe as a whole. Syria shares its border with which of the following countries? The correct answer is D, that is all except fifth one. So Syria share their borders with Turkey, Iraq, Jordan, Israel, but not with Libya. A line on a map connecting points having the same average temperature in winter is called. So the correct answer is C, isochime. So isochime join points with the same mean temperature in winter. Similarly, iosphere join points with the same mean summer temperature, and isochron join points that it takes the same time to reach from a given place. Khari camel, also known as swimming camels, are found in which state of India? The correct answer is A, that is Gujarat. So Khari are a rare breed of camel which is found in the salt marshes of Kutch district in the western state of Gujarat, and they can swim up to 3 km in the shallow seas to reach their grazing land, the reason mangroves. The P waves of an earthquake are what kind of waves in nature? The correct answer is B, that is longitudinal wave. So the P seismic wave travel as elastic motion at the highest speed, and they are longitudinal waves that can be transmitted by both solid and liquid material in the Earth's interior. And with P waves, the particles of the medium vibrate in a manner similarly to sound waves. Which of the following is the largest archipelago in the world? The correct answer is B, that is Malay. So the largest archipelago in the world was formed by glacial retreat, and the Malay archipelago between the Pacific and Indian Oceans contains more than 25,000 islands in Southeast Asia. The thousands of islands of Indonesia and Malaysia are a part of the archipelago. Gurupriya Bridge is constructed across Gurupriya River in which state of India? The correct answer is B, that is Odisha. So Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik inaugurated the long-awaited Gurupriya Bridge in the moist affected Malkangiri district, linking 30,000 people from 151 villages to the mainland after they were cut off for nearly 6 decades. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.